How'd you know that?
I heard rumors. It's a new thing.
So
Backgrounds keep changing. That's entertainment, folks.
It's
We
alpha?
spared no expense. We worked on this
we
for
had a minute.
for like 7 or 8 full minutes.
We didn't have a script.
Yeah, there's no script. Oh look, it's the name.
That's it.
It's the name of the game.
But
Ouch.
but it's live. Like you can go and play alpha test number 1
You can play it right now.
right now
Where?
at artix.com.
Artix. ARTIX.com.
ARTI.
Okay, so essentially, there are 2,200 people still watching us instead of playing the alpha test for Legend of Lore AQ3D. Why are you still watching us? Go get Unity.
Yeah.
You should go get Unity.
So,
Hold on, I'm getting Unity.
oh, look at that count drop.
Like a rock.
They are going to play that game.
Out.
It's not even a full game though.
I know it's just an alpha, but they get to run around and see.
No. It's just
It's a
chat.
Pre-alpha.
Chat. It's alpha. It's alpha chat.
Pre-alpha.
Pre-alpha chat. All you can do is chat. The graphics aren't even final.
We're less than 2,000 people.
Uh-oh.
The show is dying.
It's dying.
Thank you, Death Face. Ratings collapse.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can we go play?
1985.
Can we get a...
Yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go play.
No, wait.
Okay.
Let's bring a computer right here and play it right here.
We can't.
We can.
We can't.
We can.
No, we can't. We were born without arms. What? You have an arm? You never told me that. This is horrible. This is like the worst day.
My hand is bigger than your
That's what she said. Okay, I'm sorry. What does that even mean? Yeah! Alright, it's 6:31. Let's go play Legend of Lore is what it's called.
Yes.
Let's go play that game.
Hey.
Hey.
There's a laptop.
Okay.
There is a laptop right there.
I know, we're running this through it. Oh, that one or that one?
That one.
Okay, there's 2.
Let's put it on the screen.
That sounds terrible. Okay, hold on, I'll lift it up.
Okay. And just in case
This isn't working.
you didn't hear us, the alpha
It's really heavy.
was just released at AQ. Artix.com.
Not easy.
Yeah.
Not easy.
No, this is totally doable.
I can't keep holding this. I can't. It's really. Maybe your head's in the shot. I'm trying to help. No, I got it. It's cool. It's cool.
Someone
It's cool.
must hit the button.
Hit the
button.
Hit the button. Hand. Mysterious hand. Thank you, Mimi.
This is degrading really fast.
This is really falling apart badly. There's another. We broke the fourth wall.
Hey, enter your passwords. Let's see it.
No.
What's Artix's password?
Don't enter your password.
I want to see Artix's password.
Never show your password to anybody ever.
It's Sprinkle 21.
Okay, that's it. You're fired.
Ah.
I found a soda. Click on the thing.
Yeah. Click right there.
Click on the thing.
Face clicking.
It's not a face screen.
It's like touchscreen,
Oh, look, we got Unity.
base screen.
We got Unity. There it goes. All you guys can see is just like a white box, but you gotta trust me. There's a game loading.
Magic buffers, okay?
I saw this happen to Bill Gates once.
Yes, can you nudge the mouse? Wait, I got it. Hold on. Ah. Don't got it. That was my fault. Sorry.
Both that falling apart.
Yeah, that was my fault. That was
That's
my
your
fault.
eye. Oh, look at that. Never mind.
Oh, nope,
Don't
it's
do that
gone.
again.
Your red eye stopped glowing. You only got one eye on, dude. It looks pretty bad. This really is falling apart very quickly. 1,700. Oh,
Wah!
all right, that worked somehow. Oh, look, you can see when you lift it up, you can see the tripod in the reflection of the screen because it's so shiny.
Oh,
Bad camera work.
do not attempt this at home.
What is with Unity?
Loading and
And loading and loading.
I think Arctic's Entertainment
and loading.
should invest in something other than a 2400 baud modem.
All right, here's what our modem sounds like. I don't know what yours sounds like, but it goes like this. It's yes, and it sounds like a donkey at the end.
A Don Quixote with windmills.
This is so dumb.
Almost there. Like 10%
This
left.
is awesome. We can watch it go.
Strike, what's wrong with your computer,
This is
man?
the best game they've ever made. It's called Watch the Bar Go.
Maybe we should have loaded this before telling the 2,000 people who left watching the video
That's
to
a
go
great
again.
idea. Yeah.
Loading screen!
We gotta win.
Oh.
Alright, here it is. That's the game.
I mean, legendary.
It's not really a game, though. It's just a screen.
It's the alpha screen.
Come on, somebody log in. Can someone log in? You've got a hand, apparently, that you never told me about. Okay. All right, someone, right now, we're logging in. Right?
Yes. We are going to show you AQ 3D Legend of Lore!
This is the longest password I've ever had to type.
What is that like? 6 million bit encryption?
It's a really good password. Oh wait, hold on, I messed up. Delete. Okay. What's up with this rhinoceros in a fish tank on Thursday evening? X1C. 1 X1. 4 ampersand space 241661. All right, mid password break.
Okay. Whew. So in just a few moments, we're gonna see the alpha test of AQ3D.
Yeah, boy.
Now, I was specifically told to tell you all, this is not a finished game.
Yeah, no, there's no game involved.
Not finished. Temporary graphics.
Not good. Yeah, dying skulls. In my
Temporary.
Alright, so back to the password.
Okay.
Ah! What spot?
Okay, we are loading the game.
Loading and loading and loading and loading and loading. Ball.
Loading?
Ball.
Yep.
Okay. Well, it's going a little
Exciting.
faster. It's going faster.
Really fun.
Oh, everyone's logging in.
Hey, can we get a close up on the title screen?
These are high-tech effects you guys are seeing. Like the move the screen closer to the camera type of zoom. The specialist kind of effects.
Special effects.
See that alpha test down at the bottom? That means it's an alpha test. That means it's not a finished game. Oh, I bet your eyes are going to look good in that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
awesome. Loading. Loading the alpha. Remember, this is an alpha. In the event of a real game, there would be a real game to play with monsters and dragons, and monsters, combat, skills.
Yep. Ah, ah. Ah.
Browser.
Browser-based 3D graphics. Why? Does the monitor have a bunch of plastic or stuff holding it together? Or what do we call them here? Clothespins.
High tech.
Very.
Really high
See
tech.
that? Look at
This is
these
really
things.
high tech.
Look at these
great.
things. Look. What? Ah! That was my fault.
My eye.
Sorry. You got two huge ones anyway. You're fine. Loading and loading and loading.
Done yet?
Anyone's still watching?
Yeah, actually, somehow there's like
Yeah.
1,644 people still on.
1,600
Done now?
people.
We are not that funny.
No.
There's no reason they should still be watching.
This was a terrible idea.
This was like terrible.
Yeah, we should never do this again.
It's a good sandwich, really.
I enjoyed the cake.
They make good sandwiches at that place.
Yeah, but the guy sitting next to you is a little weird.
Okay?
Yeah, I mean,
Wait,
here.
this guy?
What guy?
No. You said the guy sitting next to
The
me.
guy. At the thing?
Oh, the guy sitting next to me at the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, with the tattoos.
Yeah.
What was with that?
I don't know. I've never seen anybody who had tattooed ears before.
Right, and he put some mogwai on the video. He tattooed the hole in it.
And he had a full body piercing that went like into his neck and came out his hip.
Right, he just kept talking about that sports game.
Yeah, I know. Well, I mean, did you see it? It's like in semis right now.
Right, the Avatar one.
Yeah.
With like the fire bending throw thing.
Yeah. Pro bending.
Right,
Yeah.
pro bending.
Pro bending. Pro bending.
Bend them like Avatar. Bend.
Pro bending. But it's like a real game though. Like you throw stuff and it's like Quidditch.
Quidditch, yeah, Quidditch bending.
It's not gonna load anymore.
Wah, wah.
Really should have put this on the CD.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.